As an ex-athlete, the last thing you want to do is be cut on. I took the time to research the doctors that I wanted to find. And one of the things that I found with Dr. Jeffords was not only did he have a great background, he had a lot of good positive press about him. He sat down with us, he walked us through the issues that we had by showing us the MRI. Dr. Jeffords told me exactly what I was going to experience. We laid out the game plan. We talked about what would happen after. My wife always kind of admits that, she was waiting in the waiting room and she was concerned. And Dr. Jeffords went in and calmed her and just made her feel at ease of the surgery. Talking to him, it was just like talking to someone who was like your really good friend and he really cared about you. And that was really important for me.